If you've ever wanted to hatch eggs at home, you probably know it's not as simple as just putting them in a box and waiting. Temperature, humidity, and turning the eggs all matter. Even small mistakes can affect whether the chicks make it, which can be pretty stressful if you're new to it. That's why having a reliable egg incubator makes a difference. The right one can take care of the tricky stuff for you, so you can focus on watching your eggs develop without constantly worrying. So in this video, I'm going to go over the 7 best egg incubators, from beginner-friendly options to models for people raising chicks regularly. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these egg incubators aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Hobbyists 12 Egg Incubator. This is the most budget-friendly egg incubator on our list. The incubator holds a dozen eggs at a time, which is a really manageable number for small backyard setups or hobby farmers. Now, temperature stability is one of the biggest things when hatching eggs, and this machine handles that with a built-in circulating fan. It moves air around the chamber so the temperature stays even instead of having hot and cold spots. Another helpful feature is the humidity display right on the control panel, so you can see the humidity level without buying a separate hygrometer. And when it's time to adjust it, there's a front water reservoir that lets you add water without opening the lid. That means the heat and humidity stay stable inside. It also comes with an egg candler. Just press a button and a bright light turns on so you can check egg development without needing a separate tool. Then there's the automatic egg turner, which rotates the eggs several times a day as a mother hen would. And 3 days before hatching, it stops turning automatically so the chicks can prepare to hatch safely. So, if you want a simple incubator that does the essentials well without costing much, the Hobbyists 12 Egg Incubator is a very easy choice. Number 6 is the Betterment Mini 2 EX. This is the best small egg incubator on our list. I like this one because it gives you a lot of control, even though it's very compact. It's designed for small batches and holds about 7 chicken eggs, or up to 12 smaller eggs like quail if you use the included inserts. One thing that stands out right away is the clear dome design. You can easily see inside the incubator and monitor the eggs or watch chicks hatch without opening the lid. Plus, it also uses precise digital controls. Right on the display, you can see the temperature, humidity level, and even the egg turning status. T also has alarms that alert you if something moves outside the safe range, which is really helpful during a long 21-day hatch cycle. Humidity control is fully automated too. It uses a small integrated pump that adds moisture when needed, so you don't have to constantly open the incubator. It also has a fan that circulates the air to keep the temperature even across all eggs. Then there's the automatic egg turning system. You can program how often the eggs rotate, which helps embryos develop properly. So if you want a compact incubator with advanced controls and reliable automation, you won't regret getting the Betterment Mini 2 EX. Number 5 is the Betterment Mini 2 Advance. This is the best for hobbyists on our list. Controls are surprisingly straightforward. You're going to have a digital menu where you set the temperature, egg turning, and a countdown timer for the full hatch cycle. Humidity is easy to manage too. There's an external water top-up system, so you can add water without opening the incubator. And a fan keeps air moving so the temperature stays even. Safety features help as well. If the room temperature changes too much or the incubator gets too hot or cold, alarms will let you know. So if you want a simple incubator that hobbyists can trust to run smoothly at home, the Betterment Mini 2 Advance fits that role really well. Number 4 is the Betterment Ovation 28EX. This is the best medium-sized egg incubator on our list. This one automates the whole hatching process, and that's the best thing about it. If you're running medium batches of eggs, it's like a machine that handles everything for you. First off, it holds about 28 chicken eggs using the standard carriers, but you can also hatch quail, duck, turkey, or even goose eggs if you swap the carriers. Then it has a fully automatic humidity system and a built-in pump that manages moisture levels on its own, so you don't have to open the lid and mess with the environment. Along with that, the induced dual airflow system keeps warm air moving evenly across all the eggs. Plus, the digital display shows real-time temperature and humidity, and you can switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. There's also programmable egg turning with custom intervals, plus high and low temperature alarms if something goes off. Build quality is solid too. It's made from durable ABS plastic with Biomaster protection, so cleaning it is simple. And it comes with a 3-year warranty and customer support from the US. So if you want a medium-sized incubator that runs itself while keeping conditions precise, the Brinsea Ovation 28EX is a strong pick. And if you want to know the latest prices for the egg incubators discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Brinsea Ovation 56EX. This is the best large egg incubator on our list. If you're working with bigger batches of eggs, this one is made for that job. It's designed to hold up to 56 chicken eggs using the included trays, which is why it lands in the large category. And if you're hatching bigger eggs like duck, goose, or turkey, you can swap in optional carriers to fit those too. And just like the last one on the list, it has everything you need to incubate your eggs. This would just be a bigger size if you're extra serious about hatching and raising animals. So if you want a large incubator that can handle serious hatching projects with very little babysitting, the Brinsea Ovation 56EX is an easy pick. Number 2 is the Chick Cozy Incubator. This is the best value egg incubator on our list. I like this one because it keeps things simple but still gives you the tools that actually matter for a good hatch. This incubator can hold up to 25 eggs, and the automatic turner rotates them about once every hour. That steady movement helps copy what a hen does in nature, so the heat spreads evenly and the chicks develop better. Temperature and humidity control are a big deal with incubators, and this one handles both well. It's designed to keep the temperature around the ideal 99.5 degree Fahrenheit, while the upgraded water trays let you adjust humidity easily. If you live in a dry area, you can just add water to extra zones to raise the moisture level. Plus, I also like the pull-out water drawer. Instead of opening the lid and losing heat, you just slide the tray out, add water, and push it back in. And this is what Chelsea had to say: "I am so glad I took the leap and tried this incubator. I love the humidity water tray and how it lets you easily adjust the water without fiddling with the eggs or inner trays." You're also going to have a built-in egg candler, a 360-degree clear lid to watch the hatch, an anti-slip mat for newborn chicks, and even a 2-year warranty. So if you want a reliable incubator that gives you strong features without spending a fortune, the Chick Cozy Incubator is an easy recommendation. Number 1 is the MonaPro Nurture Right 360 Incubator. This is the best overall egg incubator on our list. Now, this one is not huge or complicated, but it gives you the key tools that really help eggs hatch well. This incubator can hold up to 22 chicken eggs, around 12 to 18 duck eggs, or even pheasant eggs, which makes it flexible if you raise different birds. One of the first things you notice is the clear dome. It gives you a full 360-degree view, so you can check your eggs from any angle without lifting the lid. Inside, the incubator uses 360-degree airflow to move warm air evenly around the eggs. That helps keep the temperature steady, which is a big deal during the 21-day hatch cycle. It also turns the eggs automatically, so you don't have to remember to do it by hand. And just like other options on the list, 3 days before hatch day, the turning stops on its own, so the chicks can move into the right position. You're also going to have easy temperature and humidity controls, a built-in egg candler to check development, and a fully plastic body that's much easier to clean than foam models. Check out what Alicia wrote: "This thing rocks. We've had it for over 3 years now and hatch out at least 2 runs every year with it. Sometimes 4 to 5 runs. It works great. Best thing about it is that you can see inside." So, if you want an incubator that's simple, reliable, and packed with the right features for consistent hatching, the MonaPro Nurture Right 360 is an easy top choice. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect egg incubator. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each incubator. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.